Guys, what's going on? One tonners. So something happened to me probably about half hour ago that I vow will never happen again. I was fishing a little creek, and this creek's pretty close to dumping into a big river. Well, not a big river, but a river that we fish. And had something take my bait and take all my line off my rod. Now it was just a little cheap push button style rod, and it wasn't recording. Pull all the line off. I hand lined them in after I had to fish them out with my catfish setup and hook the line and pull it up, and it was pretty epic. But you guys don't know that because I wasn't recording. But that's not happening again because I'm going to record every single thing I do. Later. All right, show you my setup. I'm just using this in this little creek. Bobber, got my braiding line, and that's my bass rod, but I'm going to take my night crawlers and cut a few up just so I have them ready. Well, you know what, I'm leaving it for later because there's some already cut up. Just little chunks. Roll out. Make sure I don't see no snakes. But this is a juicy little spot right here. This fast moving water. Creek chubs, knotty heads, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna set this right here. And gets to fishing. Some new stuff down in here from last time. Don't remember it raining, but very well could have. Probably almost instant. Yep. Woo. A little bit better of an angle. And you don't need a big chunk of worm for these creeks. I just want to show you guys something over here because they congregated. Look, you guys, hopefully you can see that on the camera. There's a bunch of tiny ones. And look, he decided to eat my worm. Now that would be perfect bass bait, but I'm not gonna keep him because he'll probably die if I put him in my bucket. I'm gonna throw this out down there where I know there's some green sunfish and some other stuff. And hit almost instantly. Is this a better one? Yeah, it's a better one. He'll qualify. I'll keep him. Alright, dude. And they savages in this creek. They savages. That's all I'm doing. This is my bass rod because I need to get a new reel for my bait rod. Throwing a Fluger President Limited Edition. I like this because it's got a wood handle. Alright. Oh, I see a decent sized bluegill or whatever it is. It's decent size. Hopefully he wants to come out and play. Where's your Uncle Daddy at? Oh, there you are. Yeah, that's what I want. Look at that brim. Yeah, I knew Uncle Daddy was in there somewhere. Uncle Daddy, what is good with you? Get it there. Quit spiking me, butthole. I've never been so happy to see a brim in my life. So if you guys ever see a creek and think it ain't holding fish, try it anyway. Because that's what I did when I first came to this spot. I was like, well, this ain't nothing in here. Boy, was I wrong. Ooh, hammered that one, huh? Hit it again, hit it again. Comment down below if you guys have ever fished in a little creek like this for bait. All you cat fishermen. Well, shoot, even bass. You can use those knotty heads for bass. Oh, I had that, whatever that was. Had being the key word. Come on, Bush. Give me my hook back. Alright, you want to play? Whoa. Did you hear that? Second spot. Oh, hey. This looks a little bit better. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Looks like I can catch some more brim up in her. Maybe we'll get a bullhead up on her. You never know. Look like somebody fished this here. I got up early this morning. Wife's probably mad at me for waking her up so early. Sorry. Alright, let's try giving her a cast up yonder. See what happens. Oops, I'm hitting it already. One-ton tree service. Yeah, I seen them coming up after the worm. I think they're green sunfish, and that's cool with me. Sorry about the aerator, guys, but I need to keep my fish alive. Hopefully you guys can see this. Really don't like being in this tree, but it is what it is. They're right here, so got something. Oh man, yes, a bullhead that is bait size. Hey, bullhead. How you doing? He's mean. He bit me. Yes. Well, that was sweet. So they're congregated right here. It must be a little deep spot. What in the world am I doing wrong with my life? Come on, take it, take it, take it, take it. You know you want it. What? Now you're gonna be shy. See if I can drop it down in here again. Hopefully you guys can see my bobber. Did I get something? I did. And I'm keeping him because, well, what is this? A warmouth. Look how big his mouth is. I like him. I'll let him go. See what's over here next to this. Nothing? Really? For reals? Something gotta be over here. Oh, there's something. Heck yeah. I think this is another bullhead. It is a bullhead. Oh man. This is perfect flathead bait. Like, ow. Quit poking me. Open. There you gotta go. This little guy. Try not to lean over the rail so you guys can see, but whatever I gotta do to get a camera shot. And now it's caught on a branch. Well, you talk about pucker. That was a pucker moment right there. I don't know if that truck should have been driving over this bridge.
Look, I had it pointing the wrong way. Look at it, there's a fish in there.